Hello guys, let's talk about the letter P, which is the 16th letter of the alphabet. P is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter P has a shape that looks like a vertical line with a small loop at the top that curves to the left. It is important to remember how to draw the letter P correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter P makes a special sound, the P sound. This sound is made by pressing your lips together and then letting out a short burst of air when you release them. Some common words that start with the letter P include pizza, pencil, and puppy. Words that have the letter P in them are all around us. We might eat some tasty popcorn while watching a movie, or play with a colorful parachute outside. We might also read a book about a pirate, or practice our writing with a pen. Remembering the letter P is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big P for the letter P, and get ready to continue exploring the amazing world of language. Please, don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe. Thank you!